Hi everyone. I don't know if the sound's gonna be that great on this. Video's not that great. Can't not have that light on because then this one up here is not bright enough so it's too dark. So we are going to do a mystery box. This one is from Freddy's box, so we shall see. I thought it was gonna be more than one. Let's see. Got a box from Target today, which was great. I got this one, a gem. The brightness on the screen. Gem. I kind of forgot I ordered this one. So, that was a nice surprise. Open this up with my X-Acto knife. So, it sounds like my cousin came home. Let's see here. Just open this up. Let's see here. What we got here? Oh, hey, so we got Magnificent. So, a little bit disappointed. I actually have this one, just got this one last weekend, and another mystery box, but that one was a chase. So, it's alright. I probably will give it to my other cousin. So, oh well. I have another mystery box unboxing. I probably will post that one and maybe add a link or something. That one I did with my dad, so with my brother off screen and one of my dad's friends also off screen, so you can hear some of their comments, but not all of them. But see you guys later.